pulls on my head.
Look.
I'm entertained.
I'm entertained with a head diaper. What are you doing?
I'm eating this.
I'm eating the head diaper. I'm eating Grandpa's head diaper. What are you doing all the way up there?
You can go way up there. There you go.
He's become aware of something.
Yeah.
Are you peeing?
He goes like this and he pulls out his pants. I think he pees. Are you peeing? Pull it out of your mouth. Take it out of your mouth. The head diaper is not going on. There you go. Okay, go get Grandma. Go get Grandma. Go get her.
I got my entertainment right here.